List of best places to buy cheap batteries for cars. One of the first car maintenance tasks I learned how to undertake was changing the battery. I've probably changed a dozen batteries in a variety of settings, including my garage, the snowy outdoors, and a store parking lot in torrential rain. The most important lesson is to change the batteries before winter. Well, in this video, I'll be listing the best places you can buy cheap batteries for cars. So, let's get started. Best places to buy cheap car batteries. The following is a list of the best places to buy cheap batteries for cars. Costco, Advance Auto Parts, Batteries Plus, Amazon, eBay Motors, Walmart, Sam's Club, AAA Mobile Battery Service, Napa. Here's a breakdown of each option. 1. Costco. Costco is the cheapest location to buy a car battery if you have a membership. In fact, some of their rates allow you to obtain a battery and a 1-year subscription while still saving money compared to shopping elsewhere. You have no choice but to get interstate batteries from Costco, a reputable brand. 2. Advance Auto Parts. The ideal balance of affordability, convenience, and quality can be found at Advance Auto Parts. They sell batteries from well-regarded names including Autocraft, Die Hard, and Optima. Most of their batteries have a 3-year replacement warranty, which entitles you to a free replacement if the battery fails during that period. While Advance Auto Parts is not as inexpensive as Walmart, ordering online from their website can result in savings of up to 30%. 3. Batteries Plus. Car batteries can be found in a variety at Batteries Plus. The batteries are available for online purchase and shipping to your residence. If you need the batteries right away, you can also order them online and pick them up in person. It makes no difference whether you want to replace your historic car with a contemporary luxury car. 4. Amazon. What products does Amazon not carry? Even while their prices aren't always the lowest, they definitely have the most astounding selection. Automobile batteries from almost all major brands are offered and delivered right to your house. Before we dive into even more cost-saving options, take a quick second to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our money-saving car advice. 5. eBay Motors. eBay is another option if you're seeking the least expensive car battery. The most affordable automobile batteries are available from upscale manufacturers like Bosch, Optima, or Die Hard. 6. Walmart. One of the cheapest places to buy a car battery is unquestionably Walmart. They sell batteries under the Everstart brand, which is produced by Clarios, the same company that makes Optima batteries. Some Walmart locations also carry additional manufacturers like Bosch and Optima in addition to Everstart. They offer 2- or 3-year replacement warranties on the majority of their batteries. 7. Sam's Club. Sam's Club is a different warehouse club that is worthwhile seeing. Duracell batteries, which are renowned for their durability, are sold in this warehouse. It might be wise to phone ahead because, as I said, the variety might be limited. In contrast to Costco, Sam's Club is willing to install automobile batteries. 8. AAA Mobile Battery Service. AAA will come to you if your car battery dies anywhere, in your driveway, at work, or while driving. While you wait, they will test your battery, replace it if necessary, and jump-start your vehicle. Both members and non-members can use this service, but the cost for non-members is around $30 higher. While not as cheap as Costco or Walmart, prices are comparable to Advance Auto Parts. You can phone or visit their website to seek AAA battery service. They are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and will jump-start your vehicle and test your batteries before making a replacement recommendation. Once the technician is there, the process typically lasts less than 30 minutes. 9. Napa. Even while Napa may not be the cheapest overall, if you shop online in particular, you may be able to save money on a car battery. Napa's performance is one of the reasons customers continue to choose it. The Legend battery, which Napa sells, is its most popular model. With its fold-down handles, this strong battery is portable and offers the best performance. In conclusion, finding affordable car batteries doesn't have to be a hassle. We've just shared some of the best places to snag a great deal on car batteries. Whether you're on a budget or simply looking to save some cash, these options have got you covered. Remember, keeping your car running smoothly doesn't have to break the bank. Thanks for tuning in, and happy savings on your next battery purchase.